When you get hiccups, your chest suddenly jerks. Most people think it is just air trap, but you only have to hiccup once to realize it feels neurological, not digestive. The true reason is your diaphragm misfires because the phrenic nerve gets irritated. You see, this nerve controls breathing rhythm, and spasms force air past closed vocal cords. So instead, they create that sharp hic sound when the glottis snaps shut. This means sugar water or breath holding works by distracting those nerve signals. Over a few weeks, hiccups usually vanish because the brainstem resets control automatically.